Okay, this is a review of the rotating bookshelf. You can see it has 1, 2, 3, 4 levels. I would say it's about 4.5 feet tall. You can put something on the top as well. And it rotates really nicely. There's actually a lot more space in here than we thought we would get. So as you can see, you can put anything you need to in here. She has even a pair of boots and some office supplies, books, all kinds of things. It's really cool.
The quality is terrible. Like, it has a terrible finish. Look at that. Just came out of the box. Just started building it up. It's confusing as hell to even build. And it looks like I've had it for years because of how beat up it looks on the edges. Definitely not worth over $100.
Look at my chilling ladies, girl. They chilling.